Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I went for a walk this morning. The weather was beautiful. And you, Jake?
I am good, thank you. But my friend asked me a question yesterday, and I did not know the answer.
Oh, what question?
He asked me, what is the difference between can and could? And I said, I do not know. They are both about ability, right?
That is a very good question, and many English learners ask the same thing.
And then he asked, what about would and should? And I said, I really do not know now.
4 words, 4 confusing words, and that is exactly our topic today.
We are going to learn can, could, would, and should?
Yes, today we will learn 4 very important words: can, could, would, and should. We will learn what they mean and when to use them.
4 words in one episode? Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Before we begin, let me explain something. These 4 words, can, could, would, should, are special. They are helper words. They come before a verb and change the meaning.
Helper words, like a helper in the kitchen?
Yes, the verb is the main dish. The helper word adds flavor. I swim is simple, but I can swim adds meaning. It means I have the ability.
So the helper word changes what the sentence means.
Exactly. Today we will learn 4 of them, one by one. Ready?
Ready.
Word number 1, can. C-A-N.
Can. I know this word.
Good. Can has 2 main uses. Use number 1, ability, something you are able to do. I can cook. That means I know how to cook. I have the skill.
I can cook too, a little bit.
I can swim. I can drive. She can speak 3 languages. These all talk about ability, what you are able to do.
Okay, so can plus a verb means I am able to do it.
Yes, and cannot or can't means you are not able. I can't play the piano. He can't swim.
I can't sing. That is very true.
I'm sure you can sing a little, Jake.
No, trust me, even my cat leaves the room.
And you can also make questions. Can she drive? Can they speak English? Just put can at the beginning.
Can she drive? Easy. I like this word.
Now, use number 2, requests, asking for something. Can you help me? Can I have some water? We use can to ask in a friendly way.
We learned this in a previous episode, right?
Yes, we talked about polite requests before. Can is the everyday level, friendly and easy.
Can you give me an example?
That is an example. You just used can to make a request.
I did not even notice. It's so natural.
That's how you know you're learning, when you use English without thinking.
Let me try more. Can I sit here? Can you open the window?
Perfect. Very natural. And remember, can is for casual situations. Friends, family, everyday life.
Word 1, can. Ability and requests. I can do this.
You can. Let's move to word 2. Word number 2, could. C-O-U-L-D.
Could. This one confuses me.
Many learners feel the same way. Could has 2 main uses. Use number 1, past ability, something you were able to do before, but maybe not now.
Past ability, like in the past.
Yes, when I was young, I could run very fast. That means in the past, I had the ability, but now maybe not.
Oh, so can is for now, could is for the past.
For ability, yes. I can speak English now. When I was 5, I could only speak 1 language.
Let me try. When I was a child, I could climb trees, but now I cannot.
Perfect example. Your body was different when you were young.
My body was much better when I was young.
Now, use number 2, this one is very useful. Could for giving options, suggestions, possible ideas.
Options.
Yes. Imagine your friend says, I am bored. You can say, you could watch a movie, or you could go for a walk. You are giving ideas, possible things to do.
Ah, so could means this is one option, one possibility.
Exactly. We could eat pizza tonight. You could try the new cafe on Main Street. She could take the bus.
This is different from should, right?
Great question. Yes. Could gives options. Should gives strong advice. We will learn should soon.
So if my friend is bored, you could read a book. That means here's one idea.
Yes, it is soft, not pushing, just suggesting.
I like that. Let me try another one. My sister wants to learn English. I could say, you could listen to enjoy English talks.
That is the best suggestion ever.
And what about, we could go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, you are giving an idea for the weekend, not a strong push, just an option.
And can I give two options together?
Of course, we could go to the beach or we could stay home and watch a movie. Two ideas. You let the other person choose.
I love could. It's so gentle.
It is, and that is why people like hearing it. Nobody wants to be told what to do. People like having choices.
Word 2, could. Past ability in giving options. Got it.
Word number 3, would. W-O-U-L-D.
Would. Another confusing one.
Would also has two main uses for beginners. Use number 1, preferences, what you want or prefer. The most common phrase is, I would like. We often say, I'd like, the short form.
I would like means I want?
Yes, but softer and more polite. I want coffee is direct. I would like coffee is polite. In a cafe, we always say, I would like a coffee, please, not I want a coffee.
Oh, I always say I want. Now I know I would like is better.
Much better. More examples. I would like to go to Japan someday. She would like a glass of water. We would like a table for 2.
I would like to speak English fluently.
That is a beautiful sentence, and you will.
Now use number 2.
Use number 2, polite offers and questions. Would you like is how we offer something to someone. Would you like some tea? Would you like to sit down? Would you like to try this?
Oh, so would you like is a polite way to offer.
Yes, think of it this way. Do you want tea is okay with friends. Would you like some tea is polite with anyone.
So at a dinner party, would you like some more food?
Perfect. The host always uses would you like.
Let me practice. I'm a waiter at a restaurant. A customer sits down.
Go ahead.
Good evening. Would you like to see the menu?
Beautiful. Very professional.
And would you like something to drink?
You sound like a real waiter, Jake.
Thank you. Now let me try answering. Someone asks me, would you like some coffee? What do I say?
You can say, yes, I would love some. Or, no, thank you, I'm fine.
I would love some. That sounds nice.
It does. Very warm and polite. And notice, would always sounds gentle, never aggressive, never pushy.
Maybe I should work at a restaurant.
Maybe you should. And that brings us to our last word. Word number 4, should. S-H-O-U-L-D.
Should. I think I know this one. It means a good idea?
Very close. Should is for advice, recommendations, when you think something is the right thing to do.
Like you should eat breakfast every day.
Exactly. You should eat breakfast every day. That is your advice. You think it's a good idea. You think it's the right thing.
And shouldn't is the opposite.
Yes, you shouldn't eat too much sugar. You shouldn't stay up too late. That means I think it is not a good idea.
My mother says this all the time. You should call more often. You shouldn't work so hard.
Mothers always give the best advice. More examples. You should drink more water. We should leave now. He should see a doctor.
What about you should listen to enjoy English talks every day?
That is excellent advice.
But wait, what is the difference between could and should? My friend is bored. You could watch a movie or you should watch a movie. Both sound similar.
Great question. This is the important difference. You could watch a movie means here is one option, one idea, but you decide. You should watch a movie means I really think this is a good idea. I recommend it.
So could is soft, should is stronger.
Yes, could gives choices, should gives advice.
If my friend is sick, I say you should see a doctor, not you could see a doctor, because it is important.
Exactly. When something is important, use should. When you are just giving ideas, use could.
That makes so much sense now. Let me try a few more.
Go ahead.
My coworker always comes late. You should wake up earlier.
Good advice. A little direct, but correct.
My friend wants to travel. You should visit Japan. The food is amazing.
Beautiful. That is a recommendation. You are sharing your opinion.
And you should not eat too much candy.
Yes, should not or shouldn't. That means I think it is a bad idea.
I should not eat candy, but I love candy.
Me too, Jake. Me too.
Word 4. Should. Advice and recommendations. Got it.
I am so proud of you, Jake. You understand all 4 words perfectly. Now, let me tell you a short story. Listen carefully. I will use all 4 words.
All 4 in one story?
Yes, listen. Yesterday, my friend called me. She said, I can't sleep at night. I could try warm milk, but I don't like milk. What should I do? I told her, you should try reading a book before bed. You could also listen to quiet music. And I would like to give you some tea. I have special tea for sleeping.
I heard all 4. Can't sleep, ability. Could try warm milk, an option. Should try reading, your advice. Would like to give you tea, your preference.
Perfect. You caught every one.
Can I try a story too?
Of course.
Okay. Last weekend, I wanted to cook dinner. I can make pasta, but I could not find the tomatoes. I looked everywhere. My roommate said, you should check the back of the fridge. And he was right. The tomatoes were there. Then he said, would you like some help? And I said, yes, please.
That is wonderful. 4 words, 1 natural story. You used all of them correctly.
I am getting good at this.
You really are. Now, let me give you a quick challenge. I will say a situation, you choose the right word, can, could, would, or should, and make a sentence.
A challenge. Let's go.
You want to ask your friend to close the door.
Easy. Can you close the door?
Good. Your friend is tired and stressed from work.
You should take a break. That's my advice.
Your friend wants to eat dinner but does not know where.
We could try the new Italian restaurant. An option.
You are a host. Your friend arrives at your house.
Would you like something to drink?
4 situations, 4 perfect answers. You are amazing, Jake.
Thank you, Judy. These 4 words are not so scary now.
They are not. And here's something beautiful. You already use these words in your own language. You give advice, you offer things, you talk about ability. Now you can do it in English too.
Same ideas, just different words.
Exactly. Same ideas, different words. And the more you practice, the more natural they will feel. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we talked about 4 important words: can, could, would, and should.
Yes, first, can for ability and everyday requests.
Good. Then could for past ability and giving options.
Then would for preferences and polite offers.
And finally, should for advice and recommendations.
And could is soft, just giving ideas. Should is stronger, giving real advice.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, can you make a sentence with should? For example, you should learn English every day. Now you try.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing your English.